Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to create DeepSeek AI accounts. So the first thing you have to do is to download the app from your Play Store or App Store. The next thing is to select the particular Gmail you want to use for the creating the account. Type in your password. The password should be a strong password. Click on login. Click on login. Agree and continue. So now I have created a DeepSeek account. You can see that my account has been created. DeepSeek account is a Chinese artificial intelligence company that develops open source large language model. So this DeepSeek account helps you to answer any form of question that you want. Let me say I type in what is Blum. It's going to give me a full meaning of Blum. This is what I'm trying to say. You can see it's bringing out the full meaning of Blum. You can see it. So guys, that's it on how to create DeepSeek accounts on your device. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.